someone can actually sit back here now. This seat can be sat in without it risk of it falling apart. What's up, everybody? Dan the Man here. So it's definitely been 30 days since I started the leather thing. We're not going to talk about it. Yeah, so 30 days after doing the leather, I did not record it because it was starting to be annoying to record it every time. But check this out. The leather is way more soft and supple. It's actually got a little more product sitting on it right now, but it's pliable. It doesn't crack. It's actually brought a little bit of life back in. The seams are not super stiff anymore to the point where they look like they want to rip out. Ooh, look at that green. Even this side, everything has turned into real life leather again. The seams softened up. I'm going to continue this process, and then I'm going to pull this cover off and stitch this up once I can do so. But other than that, here's your 30-day update. It's only been 30 days since I started it. Sure. Here's your leather update, everybody that's been waiting. It actually works. So if you need to restore your leather seats, definitely give this stuff a shot. It's actually cost-effective-ish. It's not too expensive, but it's not too bad. Works quite well. Just to get to where I'm at, I've used a whole entire bottle. To be honest with you, it was worth it. It was way better than replacing these seats. Someone can actually sit back here now. This seat can be sat in without it risk of it falling apart. So, by the way, chemical guys, I would love a sponsorship if, someone's watching from corporate. I have used your products to clean this entire car. They work. They're great. I'll stand behind them and I'll show everybody that they work. Because this isn't the only car that needs a little TLC. This one needed the most so far. But we replaced these seats and the rest of it was cleaned up. Nothing else in this car was replaced other than the radio, the seats. I did the speaker grills. That's because they were torn. Other than that, I am still way under budget for a car that I've dreamed about having for a very long time. And I'm very happy about that. So, don't worry everybody. Your dream car could be out there. Keep an eye out. Just takes a little bit of love and a lot of work. A lot of blood. A lot of blood. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.